Hi, today we want to introduce Provir, our hospital-grade disinfectant and cleaner. We will provide you with an overview on how and where to use Provir, along with the sharing of important safety information. Provir is a hospital-grade disinfectant and cleaner featuring a mild, refreshing citrus fragrance. Provir has a neutral pH, making it highly versatile for use on all hard surfaces. Provir has also been independently assessed and certified under the recognised Environmental Credential Scheme. As a hospital-grade disinfectant, Provir can be diluted 1 part product to 10 parts water. As a general-purpose cleaner and sanitiser, you can dilute Provir up to 100 parts water, making it extremely economical. Provir can be applied to a microfiber cloth and used as a hard surface cleaner and disinfectant. As a spray and wipe cleaner, it can also be applied via a mop or through an automatic floor scrubber. We do not recommend Provir to be used on medical devices or similar therapeutic goods. Before using Provir, we strongly recommend reading the product label to familiarise yourself with directions for use and important safety information, including the use of personal protective equipment whilst using the product. As a general rule, we always recommend washing hands thoroughly after handling. For further product and safety information on Provir, refer to the product label, the safety data sheet, or the Blue Chemicals website. Thanks for watching.